excited to open my new Addi 22 pin. It just came in from Germany. It was pretty quick turnaround too. I bought it off Amazon. Here's a little book on pattern. And here we go. I'm excited. It's my first time getting a 22 pin. Addi Express Professional, 22 pins. Oh, it even tells you what size yarn. 4 to 8 millimeter or US 6 to 11. It comes with 22 needles. Let's open it up. Ooh, Addi stopper, loom pick, clamps, feet, extra pins, plus you got a little extra darning needle manual. How to use it, how to set it up. First thing you want to do is grab your feet, and let's open those up. I'll put the feet on it first. So to put the feet on, you just turn it upside down. It's just like the 46 if you had the 46, but you just screw it on. The quality of the machine, you can tell, is really good compared to the other ones I have, like the Michaels Quick Knits or the Centro. And we'll put the 4-foot on here. It's got a mechanical counter, just like the 46 pin has right here, that you can reset just turning it. It looks like it has the same exact mechanisms as the 46 pin does. And there you go. There's the first couple pins. Addi Express Professional, brand new out of the box. So excited about this one. This little loom pick here I'm going to open. Looks like a dental tool. I wouldn't use it in my mouth, but it's almost exactly what you would get in a dental tool. Look at that little tiny head on it. If you wanted to see what was in it, it tells you how to screw on the feet, clamp on the legs here, place it at the edge of the table and affix it with the support clamps, set the line counter to 0 and turn the black knob, how to feed the yarn in there, casting on. It has the plain knitting and circular knitting, or as they call it, gerade sticken und rund sticken. Plain knitting, circular knitting. All the steps on how to, basically it's teaching you how to do it, on how to cast on and how to cast off. If you're buying this for the first time, this is going to teach you how to do casting on and casting off. Code, and you can go to a video or a shop to find out more of their products. It even teaches you how to do multi-color knitting. It tells you how to use Addi stopper, casting off tip, how to use ribbon yarn, decorative seams, different yarns, plain knitting, total row count, size conversion, reverse single crochet stitch, and then the mattress stitch, of course, and then the multicolored knitting. Cast on. Make sure you keep a loose tension because it does tend to get caught if your tension is too tight. So you want to make sure your very first one is very loose. Go ahead and put it in the yarn holder. Set your counter to 0. I'm not using the clamps, but it's not really needed for this small machine right now. Easy, but you have to make sure that your very first cast on is very loose. Otherwise it will get caught and won't work in the very beginning.